वेलकम टू बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं महेश कुमार, आप देख रहे हो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो। बेस्ट स्टूडेंट टैलेंट शो के मेगा ऑडिशन के स्पीच कंपटीशन को लेकर आज हमारी टीम पहुंची है शिक्षा संस्कार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बागपुर में। देखने वाला रहेगा कैसा रहने वाला है शिक्षा संस्कार इंटरनेशनल बागपुर के बच्चों का स्पीच कंपटीशन। जिस भी बच्चे की स्पीच आपको अच्छी लगे उसके लिए वोट जरूर करें। केवल सब्सक्राइबर ही वोट कर सकते हैं, तो पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बाद वोट करें। जिस बच्चे की जितनी ज़्यादा वोट होंगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी रैंक होगी, और जिस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में जितनी अच्छी रैंक होगी उस बच्चे की अपनी क्लास में उतनी अच्छी पोजीशन होगी। आइए देखते हैं कैसा रहने वाला है शिक्षा संस्कार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बागपुर के बच्चों का स्पीच कॉम्पिटिशन।
Good morning to all one and all present here. I am Vipin from class 10th. I will giving a small speech on the topic of electricity. What is electricity? Scientifically speaking, it is defined as a fundamental form of energy. Observe that it is negative or positive form that occur naturally or produced by a generator. And so it is express the movement and interaction of electron. In layman's term, it is a crucial form of energy by which without the human life is impossible. With the increasing depend of technology, we human beings are having the needs of electricity gain more and more scientifically with the passing day. This is why saving electricity become all the more important because it is non-renewable. Save like the future generation. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to all present here. I am Lucky Bhati from class 10th. I am studying here to deliver our speech agriculture and breeding of plant and animals. It is a set of activities that transform agriculture products into food, fiber, fuel and other desired product. Agriculture production and trades are considered to be lifeline cultivation. The global food population system produce about 70% of all food consumed worldwide. It's estimated that agriculture generates $9 trillion in annual global output (GDP). Importance of agriculture. Agriculture is one of the most important sector of any economy. It is responsible for providing food security and natural resources and also contributes to economic growth. Agriculture is a very crucial sector for any economy. It is also one of the most important sector because it plays a major role in providing employment opportunities to people across the globe. Types of agriculture. Different types of agriculture are used in different parts of the world. For example, rice is grown in Asia, wheat is grown in North America and maize is grown in Latin America. Different types of agriculture are used around the world. The two main types of agriculture are tens of plants-based crop that grows to produce food for humans such as rice, wheat, etc. Livestock farming contains of animals that produce milk or meat like cows and chickens. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all present here. I am Manish Bhati from class 10. Today I am here to share my views about deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation is a harsh reality of present time. It is an act of cutting down trees and forests which is harmful for our environment. Despite knowing the importance of trees, people are continuing to cut down trees and forests for building and construction purposes. Deforestation also takes place when forest land is converted into farms or when forests are cut for the need of fuel and wood. Forest fires and overgrazing also causes deforestation. Deforestation not only destroys trees but also affect birds and animals. Birds and animals become homeless as their natural habitat, that is forest, is destroyed by human. Forest deforestation affects the environment and also leads to global warming. Deforestation also causes soil erosion and floods. Deforestation has started showing negative effect on the nature as well as on our health. It's the time to take necessary actions and or must plant more and more trees around us. Strict laws must be enforced for cutting down of trees. People should be made aware about harmful effect of deforestation. We should stop people from from cutting trees and encourage them to plant more and more instead. At last and least. Thank you for listening.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Krishnan from class 10th. Today I stand here to speak about advantages of sports. One who is continuously involved in sports and games, he has a good mental and physical growth and develop also is help us to learn many more things in his life. It assists us to build confidence, development and our personality and maintain mental and physical balance. Sports and games help us to tackle and learn about how to overcome difficulty situations in life and mental free from tension. It develops the habit of working in teams. It also makes the person with mental and physical thoughtness, remove laziness and tiredness. It improves the blood circulations throughout the body. Thank you.
Respected all, here Chanchal Thakur from 10th standard standing for you to express my views on the topic of the importance of water. Water is a precious resource which is necessary for life. Almost 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water, but fresh water which can be put to use is only a small proportional on it. The fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and groundwater. This fresh water is continuously being renewed and recharged through hydrological cycle. It is predicted that by 2025 nearby 2 billion people will live in absolute water scarcity. So what is water scarcity? The shortage of water as compared to its demand is called water scarcity. This is a situation in which there is not enough water to meet all the demands. Water scarcity occurs mainly due to variation in seasonal and annual precipitation. Causes of water scarcity. The main cause of water scarcity are low rainfall, variation in seasonal and annual precipitation. This type of situation create drought-like condition in the country. In most of the cases, water scarcity is caused by overexploitation, excessive use and unequal access to water among different social groups. Water scarcity may occur due to large population as it requires more water for domestic work. Water pollution is another cause of water scarcity. There are many areas where ample of water is available to meet all the demands, but it is polluted due to domestic and industrial waste. Chemical fertilizers are used in agriculture. Uses of water. Water plays an important role in the field of agriculture. Irrigation is possible with the help of water. Water is useful for various domestic works such as washing clothes, bathing, cooking, etc. Through water we can also generate electricity. A human can live without food for some days but cannot live without water. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji said that there is enough resource for everybody's need, not for everybody's greed. Thank you.